As the shell slowly parts, it reveals the mantle, the source of the iridescent silk.
The formation of a pearl is a slow, meticulous process. The oyster secretes layers of aragonite platelet. The journey of a pearl begins here, at the coastal facility. Oysters are carefully handled before... Here we see the synchronized feeding system. Automated machines precisely dose the algae, creating the...
Watch the weight on this one. Bringing it over now. The automated wash is clear.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the juvenile oysters thrive. Automated systems deliver algae...
Keep the line moving. We need this shipment out by dawn.
Crane, watch your swing. Boat's pulling out. Lower the next set now.
Copy that. Dropping in 3, 2, 1.
Once the young oysters are securely fastened in their protective baskets, they begin their long descent into the nutrient-rich waters below.
Cage 4 is clear for the brushes. Brushes engaged. Looks good.
The nucleation process requires absolute precision. Here, the technician carefully implants a small bead.
Make sure the baskets are secure.
They're ready for lowering, confirming.
Lowering to 20 meters.
Control, this is Marine Ops.
Temperature stable at 22 Celsius. Increasing circulation by 5%.
We carefully examine the developing pearls under high magnification to monitor the nacre formation.
Move the container to line 3. Quickly now.
Roger that. Watch the clearance on the right side.
As the barges arrive, the harvested oysters are quickly moved into the factory, beginning the synchronized workflow of the processing facility.
The intake hall is the nerve center. Thousands of oyster cages are sorted by advanced robotics.
The cleaning stage is critical. Here, high-pressure seawater scours the oysters in giant rotating...
The precision oyster sorting line utilizes high-detail scanning and hydraulic diverters to streamline the pearl harvesting process.
The delicate preparation stage is crucial. Our trained technicians meticulously sort the oysters before they...
Utilizing advanced shell opening technology, these machines use optical sensors to identify the hinge, allowing them...
The process of extracting these rare ocean gems requires extreme precision. Technicians must carefully separate the pearl.
The freshly harvested pearls begin their journey down the stainless steel channels, carried by streams of purified water towards the sorting tanks.
Here in the washing facility, thousands of pearls tumble through long glass tanks with purified water and...
This advanced ultrasonic purification process ensures every pearl is free of microscopic debris.
The key to preserving the luster is precise moisture control. Our automated system ensures that warm air gently...
This facility utilizes cutting-edge AI to meticulously grade every pearl.
Welcome to the future of silk production. This robotic network source of premium plastic plant as we activate.
The silk production process culminates here as the pearls are gently tumbled in velvet-lined drums. A critical...
With pinpoint accuracy, the laser drills pierce the pearls, guided by sophisticated alignment technology.
This is where human dexterity and robotic precision converge. artisans meticulously the process.
In this facility, the art of jewelry making meets the precision of automation. Robotic arms work in
To ensure unparalleled quality, every necklace undergoes rigorous inspection, checking for perfect luster, symmetry, and clasp strength.
The final stage of presentation requires meticulous care, ensuring every pearl rests perfectly on the silk lining.
And so, the journey from the ocean's embrace concludes. A timeless treasure, finally home. Here, the harvest begins. A dangerous but fascinating stage where divers carefully collect the mature oysters. Filters. Spanning miles of open ocean, this geometric grid is home to millions of oysters. It's a breathtaking.
Here in the nursery facility, we see the delicate process of early pearl oyster cultivation, where water quality is paramount for growth.
The pearl seeding technique involves the delicate insertion of a nucleophorus bead deep into the oyster's tissue.
This is the recovery phase. The calm, filtered seawater allows the newly seeded oysters to heal. Closely monitor.
Deep within the oyster's mantle, a microscopic irritant is coated, layer by layer, with a substance known as nacre.
Efficient and vast, this ocean farm is the culmination of years of research. The crew's meticulous work, like the regular clean.
Keeping the oyster cages clean is vital for healthy pearl production. These specialized boats use high-pressure rollers and brushes to remove marine growth. The harvest preparation stage requires precision. Cranes hoist the heavy oyster cages from the sea.
The harvested oysters are swiftly moved into these temperature-controlled holding tanks. Our circulating seawater.
Here in the laboratory, experts meticulously grade each pearl. We look for flawless surfaces, deep areas. The automated grading system uses spectrometer sensors to analyze subtle color variations. Robotic articles.
The design process is meticulous. Our Hispanic female designers sketch intricate patterns, arranging
The craftsmanship of necklace stringing is a delicate art. Artisans use fine silk and specialized needles.
The assembly line culminates in the precise attachment of the clasps, followed by meticulous human inspection to ensure perfection. The final stage involves gentle tumbling in these velvet drums to maximize their shine, followed by a meticulous inspection of each clasp and pearl.
In the luxury market, presentation is everything. We meticulously position each strand on the
packaging stage is critical. Here, robotic precision wraps each box in a protective film, preparing it for the final branded carton. Sensors. Every day, this centralized hub manages the complex logistics of global jewelry distribution, utilizing advanced. As the global market expands, the value of these exquisite pearls continues to rise, attracting collectors from every corner of the world.
Starting the bidding at 1 million. Do I hear 1.1?
The value of these pearls has skyrocketed in recent years.
Backstage, the final touches are everything. These exquisite pearls, hand-selected for their luster, elevate the silk gowns to works of art.
As we see tonight, the luster of the pearl is truly unmatched, solidifying its place as the ultimate timeless luxury jewelry.
And so we arrive at the final presentation. Each pearl nestled on the finest silk velvet.
Here, the art of presentation mirrors the meticulous care taken in their creation. Each pearl is selected.
A strand of pearls is more than just jewelry. It's an emotional heirloom, a connection to the past.
Every detail is considered, from the silk lining to the hand-tied satin bow. The final placement in the signature bag ensures the gift is complete.
A journey that began in the ocean culminates here, transforming a natural wonder into a timeless treasure. A testament to nature's artistry, the pearl completes its rare journey from the deep ocean to a cherished luxury.
As the sun sets on our journey, we see the true scale of the commitment required to bring these.
Shimmering with deep green and purple overtones, this extremely rare black pearl is truly a discovery worth a fortune.
As the microscope reveals, the value lies in the nacre. Experts meticulously examine the luster, surface.
Rare pearls like this can reach truly astonishing prices, often eclipsing traditional gemstones in value.
The X-ray and spectrometry machines meticulously scan the pearls, analyzing the internal nacre layers to confirm.
In this state-of-the-art facility, robotic precision meets luxury. The automated arms.
This automated assembly line utilizes advanced robotics to ensure every pearl is perfectly spaced with microscopic knots for durability.
Here in the finishing room, the silk process culminates. Automated arms gently buff each pearl in rotating.
Strict adherence to our quality control standards is paramount. Each pearl undergoes meticulous inspection.
Every necklace is meticulously placed into its velvet box by hand. It then travels through our automated line. Before reaching the market, every piece is meticulously cataloged and stored in this secure, climate-controlled vault, monitored 24 hours a day.
In the exclusive world of billionaire collectors, these rare pearls represent the pinnacle of luxury, secured deep within this private chamber.
Going once, going twice, 95,000.
Experts predict the global pearl market will top 3 billion this year.
Sold. 4 to 5 million, going once, going twice. Sold.
A staggering $4 to $5 million, a new world record for the rare 78-carat South China Sea pearl.
Pearls have long been a symbol of elegance and wealth, making them essential for luxury fashion houses.
Across the globe, pearls have transcended mere adornment to become the definitive symbol of elegance and refined luxury.
Here at the flagship boutique, we celebrate the timeless elegance of the pearl, ensuring every buyer understands the journey from the ocean to our displays.
Our personalized service ensures every piece is as unique as its owner.
These pearls are sourced exclusively from the finest deep-sea harvests.
Wearing a piece of this magnitude isn't just about the diamonds or the luster. It's about the feeling, the connection to something truly rare.
Pearls. They say they are the timeless gifts of love, shimmering with a beauty that transcends generations.
Pearls are more than just jewelry, they are heirlooms, passed down through generations. Oh, it's beautiful.
Passed from one generation to the next, these pearls represent not just wealth, but the enduring strength of family heritage.
The timeless beauty of pearls has captivated us for centuries, each one a testament to the ocean's silent craft. The global pearl trade is a complex web, connecting remote farming regions across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. This state-of-the-art facility ensures that every piece of luxury jewelry, from the rarest pearls to
This massive logistics operation ensures the secure global distribution of luxury pearls, moving precious cargo through the night.
This bustling hall is the heart of the international pearl market, where billions in gems are traded.
We can agree on that price for the lot.
Excellent. It's a pleasure doing business.
In the world of high-end jewelry, the retail presentation must be flawless, reflecting the value and craftsmanship of each exquisite pearl necklace.
Few gems capture the light quite like the pearl. The unique luster has symbolized elegance and wealth for centuries across the globe.
Pearls have long been a symbol of purity and love, making them the perfect classic choice for a timeless wedding.
As she walks towards her future, these pearls represent the purity of her heart and the promise of everlasting love.
Pearls have always symbolized purity and love, accompanying us through life's most cherished moments.
This single pearl captures the vibrant energy of the celebration, a shining example of nature's beauty enhanced by human artistry.
As the celebration fades, the pearls remain, enduring symbols of cherished memories. Plucked from the ocean's embrace, these pearls are more than jewelry. They are a legacy, a treasure.
As the sun rises over the calm ocean, we return to the source. This is where...
In this tranquil sanctuary, nature performs its alchemy. The calm waters cradle the oysters. As the shell slowly parts, it reveals the mantle, the source of the iridescent silk.
The formation of a pearl is a slow, meticulous process. The oyster secretes layers of aragonite platelets.
A perfect sphere, exhibiting flawless symmetry and a deep, iridescent luster. The perfect pearl from the depths of the ocean, nurtured within the oyster, these pearls embark on a meticulous journey, culminating in this exquisite strand of luxury.
And so the story of the pearl industry concludes.
a testament to the enduring beauty of nature and the skill of dedicated artisans.
And so the ocean yields its most precious secret, a timeless beauty cultivated